Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into RealCrowd, found at realcrowd.com. This online platform facilitates access to private real estate investments, typically reserved for institutional investors or high-net-worth individuals. RealCrowd democratizes the process, making it possible for a wider range of investors to participate in these opportunities. It offers a curated selection of deals, covering a variety of property types, from multifamily residential buildings to commercial office spaces and even self-storage facilities. The platform provides detailed information about each offering, including financial projections, market analysis, and information about the sponsors managing the investment. RealCrowd employs a thorough vetting process for the deals featured on their platform. This due diligence aims to ensure that investors have access to high-quality, potentially lucrative opportunities. They aim for transparency, providing extensive documentation and resources to help investors make informed decisions. One of the key advantages of using RealCrowd is the streamlined investment process. They've digitized the traditionally paperwork-heavy procedure, making it easier and faster for investors to commit capital. Navigating the platform is generally straightforward. Users can browse available investments, explore different property types, and filter based on their investment criteria. Once you've identified a potential investment, you can access detailed information about the offering, including the investment thesis, projected returns, and associated risks. RealCrowd also offers educational resources for investors new to private real estate, helping them understand the nuances of this asset class. Furthermore, RealCrowd emphasizes building a community of investors. They provide opportunities for investors to connect, share insights, and learn from each other's experiences. This community aspect can be particularly valuable for newer investors looking to expand their knowledge and network. It's important to remember that while RealCrowd strives to offer promising investments, no investment is without risk. It's crucial to conduct your own research and consider your individual financial situation before making any investment decisions.